Bing just rolled out a new AI citations report inside Bing Webmaster Tools, and it's one of the clearest windows yet into whether your site is getting referenced by AI answers. Here's the simple idea. A citation is when Bing or Copilot shows your page as a source link inside an AI-generated answer. It's not a click report, it's visibility as a trusted source. To find it, open Bing Webmaster Tools, pick your verified site, go to Performance, then AI Performance. Now focus on 3 things. First, total citations. That's how many times your site was shown as a source in AI answers during the time range. Second, cited pages. This is the money list. These are the exact URLs Bing is pulling into AI answers. Sort by the top cited pages and you'll instantly see what your site is already winning at in AI. Third, grounding queries. This is the best part. These are the phrases Bing's AI used to retrieve your content before generating the answer. In other words, why you got cited. Here's how to use this to grow citations weekly. Step 1, take your top cited pages and map each one to its grounding queries. Step 2, for each grounding query, add a tight answer block near the top of the relevant section. Use a clear heading, then a direct 1 to 3 sentence answer, then the details. This makes your content easier to retrieve and cite. Step 3, if citations are concentrated on just 1 or 2 pages, expand coverage. Build supporting pages for adjacent questions and interlink them, so Bing has more site-worthy URLs to choose from. Step 4, watch for freshness grounding queries. Things like 2026, latest, cost, requirements. If you see those, update the page and make the update obvious. If you want help turning this into a system where your pages are built to be retrievable, citable, and consistently surfaced across AI answers, that's exactly what we do at Neural Command. Our Croutons approach is about structuring content for AI extraction and citation, not just traditional rankings. If you want the playbook, go to nrlc.ai or check out Croutons for how we turn pages into AI-ready sources.